Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I am re-reviewing one of my all-time favorite bags, except they made one very key update. If you go back on my channel, I have two other reviews of this bag. One is the original version, the second one is the first time they updated it, and now here we are again. This is the Mina Baie Stevie. This is the full size. I have her packed full. If you're new here, I am an overpacker. I like to have absolutely everything I could possibly need when I'm out with my family, and they recently released this beautiful color. It's called a gray, but it's very taupey brown. There's like a lot of brown in it. I love it. And the major update is it now has padded backpack straps. So I have been using this bag for the last few weeks. I have no complaints about it. I love it. I feel like it is a great investment, a quality bag if you're in the mom stage, if you need a really good work bag, if you need a good travel bag, it would work for all of those things. So let me show you how I have her all packed up. Here we go. Alright, here she is in all her glory. Here's a nice top view of the bag. In the front you do get this really nice zipper pocket. I like that when the zipper lays flat, it's kind of hidden in the bag. I think that's a really cool feature. And then when you turn to the side, you can see that this is a little bit of a gusset. So this pocket stands away from the bag just enough that when you fill it up with items, it's not going to show through on the front and it's not going to take away from the space inside the bag. So inside this zipper pocket, I am just keeping some quick grab things sitting right in the center. I have my clip-up bag hook. If you've watched my videos for a while, I love these things. They hold up to like 40 some pounds of weight, and so if you're in a bathroom stall and there is no hook, or if you're at a restaurant and you don't want to set your bag on the floor, you can use this to hang your bag. I've also used this to clip like shopping bags to my stroller. It literally takes up no space and it has endless amounts of uses. This is also where I would throw my keys. They're not here right now. And then you get two slip pockets inside this one. I am just keeping a pair of sunglasses for myself. And then in the other one, I have two pens. I have a Touchland hand sanitizer. And finally, I have this little Anchor charging block. This thing is awesome because it has a USB-C port right there. At this point, all of my devices are USB-C, and I can just plug this into the bottom of my phone or into the side of my tablet and give it a little boost of power, and I've really been enjoying this. Alright, then you do get two bottle pockets on the side of this bag, and one of the updates that they made is they made these so there's no magnet. In previous versions of this bag, these pockets were magnetic, which was really cool, but then if you wanted to use them for bottles, it was kind of a pain to get your bottles in and out with the magnets. So they are, as you can see, much roomier. I have this bag fully packed and my hand fits in there no problem, even though I have a bottle packed on the inside of the bag. So that is really cool as well. Alright, then on the back of the bag, you do get these nice padded backpack straps. Like I said, I've been using this bag for a few weeks now and I find it to be very comfortable. And then you do have this pocket right here, which also turns into your luggage sleeve if you unzip it down here. I love hiding either my Kindle or my iPad mini in this pocket because my kids don't know it's back there. It's super easy to get into and it doesn't take up any space in my bag. It is perfection. Then on this side you do get a long zipper pocket, and in here this is a neoprene lined pocket, and when you get your bag the pocket will face this way. I always pull it and I put it to the back of my bags because this is my favorite spot to put my phone. It's nice and protected. I don't have to dig through my bag to find it. It works perfectly for me that way, and I cannot feel my phone on my back when I'm wearing the bag. So 11 out of 10 would recommend doing that. Alright, let me turn this back around and show you the inside of the bag. So you do get very nice double zipper pulls here. And the sides of the bag still do magnet down, which I just think makes it look so clean and streamlined. And then they pop up to open the bag. And there you can see just how I have her organized. I love this bag. Alright, let's go through the pocketing. Along the back of the bag, you do get a laptop sleeve. I am not using this for my laptop currently. I have a coloring book in there instead. But I did want to show you that if you have a full-size iPad, it will fit in there with my coloring book. So here is a full-size iPad and it slides in there no problem, and then it even has this little clasp that will keep it close and tight to the back of the bag. So the bag packing possibilities are endless here. Alright, so then in front of that you get this long zipper pocket, and this is where I'm keeping my wipes currently, just because it makes them really easy to grab and access. And if you're a mom, you know, even when you're out of the diapering years, you will always and forever need wipes. Then you get 2 stretchy elastic pockets below that, and this is kind of where I'm keeping some activities for my kids. So in this side I have one of these little mini boogie boards, and then I also am keeping this little pouch. My husband got me these little travel-on. Are they travel-on? I don't know what they are. It was a set of 3 packing cases because he knows I like bags. He got them for when he was away on a trip, and this one is perfect to put plus cubes in. It fits a really good amount, and this will entertain any of my 3 kids when we're out and about and we need a boredom buster. In the next side, I always debate packing with items that I know I can't link for you, but at the same time, this is a great pouch and it's perfect for what I use it for, but I don't think this company is in existence anymore, so you might be able to find them on buy sell trade groups or something like that. But this is a Planet-Wise coin purse. I got this from the Sensible Mama years and years ago, and it is perfect for twistable crayons. I find that almost anywhere you go probably has paper or coloring pages for kids, but the crayons usually suck. So I always carry my own crayons for my kids to share when we're out and about. Also, can I stop saying out and about? That would be great, please. Alright, on this side I have a water bottle. This is my Zoji Rushi water bottle, which was all the rave back in like 2014, like the OG moms that were doing packing videos. But I just got mine last year because I'm behind on the times, but I do really love it. I love that it locks. I love that it has a controlled flow, so even though my kids are younger, they don't have any problems drinking from it, and it is a nice slim profile that just packs perfectly into bags. So I will always love it for that, and like you saw earlier, I still could put items in this bag, in this outside pocket, and just for kicks, I'll show you how it fits. Still fits on the outside of the bag there too. So you have so many options with this bag. I don't hate it. Alright, moving on. On the other side, which you could use for a bottle, I'm using it for a swaddle, and if you're like, Melissa, your kids are like 4 and up, why do you still carry a swaddle? Because it comes in handy for literally everything. We use it all the time, and any time I don't have it, I regret it. So, and it folds up into literally nothing and weighs nothing, so why not just have it? But if the kids are cold at a restaurant, if we go to a playground and I need somewhere to sit, like, the uses are endless. Absolutely endless. Alright, on the front wall of the bag, you get 4 pockets. You get the zip pocket, you get a slip pocket, and then you get 2 elastic pockets down at the bottom here. In this zipper pocket is where I'm keeping my pill case. This is one of my newest purchases from Amazon and one of my greatest joys right now. This makes me so happy. It comes with the stickers and the pill case, and so it's like a little pharmacy on the go. So I have whatever medicine you could possibly need. I have medicine for my kids, you name it, it's probably in here, and it all folds up into one tiny package, and it fits perfectly into that pocket. I also like that this is a pocket my kids aren't likely to go into, so it stays in there nice and safe. Right next door you get a slip pocket, and this is where I'm keeping my Mina Baie card holder. I love this wallet. I love the slim profile of it, and as someone who switches bags constantly from bigger bags to smaller bags to fannies, whatever, this wallet will fit in any of them, so I don't have to change my wallet when I change my bag. Alright, then in the first stretchy pocket, I am keeping a little flat pack of tissues and a pack of wet ones because kids are gross and you often need wet ones. Then in the one right next door, I have a Jujube small set piece, and in here I'm just keeping some first aid essentials. I have more medicine which I can take out. I didn't have that bigger pill case when I put this in here. I have Aquaphor chapstick with SPF. I have Neosporin, nail clippers, eye drops, and there are band-aids in there as well. And it fits perfectly in there and in that pocket. Alright, we're coming to the end. I have 2 pouches in the center of the bag. I'm going to pull both of them out and move the bag. Alright, so this is a medium set piece by Jujube. This is a large set piece by Jujube. In the medium set piece, I am just keeping some snacks for my kids because hungry kids are never happy kids. And so it's just better to have the snacks. And they're nice and tidy in there. Then in my large set piece, this is where when I was diapering, I would have put my diapers and wipes. But as we've discussed, I am out of that phase of my life, so instead I use for some of my smaller pouches. So I do still carry a wet bag because although I am out of the diapering years, I am not out of the accident years. And this one by the brand Mushy is a really nice size because it's not ginormous and it folds up really small. Then, as you see in every single video I do, I have a potty kit because bathrooms can be gross, and in it I keep 2 flushable wipes. I keep a little soap sheet dispenser, and I keep toilet seat covers to cover the potty. And then in my next pouch, this is my restaurant pouch, I keep a Go Silly straw topper, a reusable straw, and some utensils. Then off to the side, I keep a folding hairbrush. And then at the bottom, I just have a Tide to Go pen and a feminine product. All right. Whew. Do we think that I carry enough stuff in my bag? Because I probably could fit a few more things in there if I needed to. That is everything I had in my bag. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and watching my videos. If you like this video, I would love if you would subscribe and become part of my YouTube family, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!